we're gonna be making slimes, so I'm just gonna tell you the steps. First, let me get the ingredients. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you a shampoo. You can use any shampoo, and but I think, so you use toothpaste. I think this is good toothpaste because it makes a good blue color and stuff if you wanted blue. So, and you can use soap for color. And so get a cup, pour up to here this much water. Sprinkle a little salt, about a teaspoon. A half teaspoon and a half. And you get a cup, mix it all together, and then so I'm gonna show you mines I made. So then wait in a sec. The shampoo. Okay, I'm back. So I made green slime, you see, sticky and stuff. Yeah, and if you use this one without toothpaste, it would just be purple, And so this, you don't have to use borax or anything like people say, glue and borax. If you use glue and borax, it will be like elastic snapping if you use it. And this is better than that because you don't want. That's not even slime. It's elastic they make. And plus, they say borax burns your hands, so just don't do that. So wait. Okay, so and plus that if you want more videos of me, just subscribe and you'll get like a notification and you'll see it. I'll be doing different things, and in one video I'm gonna be showing you how I make it, the slime. Because I just showed you stuff. So like next day I'm gonna show you my slime. I'm gonna make another slime. So she'll be back in a sec. Okay, so what was I going to say? So any shampoo, any toothpaste, and if you want it like a fat slime, use a little bit of salt, a little bit more salt. So so this is the end of my YouTube channel. YouTube video, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll make more videos. So bye.